Be a great dog owner with these tips and tricks. Are you ready to change a dog's life? Whether you already own one or are planning to adopt one, the time is now to learn how to take really good care of them. This video details a bunch of great ideas, some you may never have thought of before, relating to dogs, so read on. When choosing a dog for your home, don't forget to estimate the size it will be as a full-grown adult. This is especially true if you have small children at home. Although a small puppy will be cute, it may grow into a large, 100-pound dog. Do some research on the average adult size of the breeds you are considering. Make sure you have the correct dog supplies. Before bringing your dog home for the first time, be sure that you are equipped with the right supplies. Every dog needs a good-sized food and water bowl, a collar and leash, toys, and a comfy place to sleep. Also, remember to purchase an identification tag immediately. When you are trimming your dog's nails, keep a close eye on the tips of the nails. Once you see a pale oval on the tip, stop clipping. This is a sign that you are close to the vein. If you go too far, apply a little bit of styptic powder to it to help stop the bleeding. House training your dog will be much easier if you adopt a routine. You should go for walks regularly throughout the day and come home during your lunch break if necessary. If your dog has to be home alone for long hours, do not leave a bowl full of water unless it is very hot. You must learn how to introduce your dog to other dogs. Keep him on his leash during introductions so you have better control. Start with a walk by while keeping his attention on you. Then, on the next walk by, allow the dogs to sniff each other a bit. This will allow them to get to know each other without the dangers of attacks. Now, are you really ready to care for your dog in the best way possible? As long as you endeavor to use what you have learned, you should be. Take your new knowledge and put it to use and you'll see changes right before your eyes. Enjoy your dog and love them to bits. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.